Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Wow! This is the coolest place I've ever seen!
Stay close, Alex Carter.
My little moon robot, I'll be right back! Mom? Dad? Where are you? They have to be nearby.
Alex isn't with us.
He was just behind me. Alex Carter! Where are you?
Alex Carter!
Alex Carter, answer us!
Stay calm and find a safe grown-up.
Hi there. Are you looking for someone?
I can't find my parents.
You're safe here with me.
Security, I have a lost child named Alex Carter.
Our son is missing. His name is Alex Carter.
Start checking every nearby gallery.
Thank you. I feel a little better.
We're searching every exhibit now.
Parents of Alex Carter, please come to the Information Center.
Why is she crying? Your mom knows where you are. She'll be here soon.
Maybe this will help her smile. This is for you. For me? Thank you.
That was a very kind thing to do.
I've located Alex Carter's parents.
Alex Carter, we found your parents.
Really? They're coming?
Please follow me. Alex Carter is safe.
I think your mom will be here very soon.
I hope so.
Alex Carter, I'm coming! Dad!
We found you.
We were so worried about you.
I'm sorry I walked away.
Alex Carter stayed calm and came to a museum worker. He made a very smart choice. I'm proud that you remembered our safety rule.
Thank you for taking such good care of our son.
It was my pleasure.
I'll keep this forever. I'm glad you like it. Mommy!
Oh, I missed you so much.
Mark told me you helped her feel brave. You made a scary day much better for my daughter.
I just wanted her to smile.
This badge is for your kindness and your smart choices.
Today I learned that being brave also means being kind.
Now we're ready for the adventure. This time, I'm staying right beside you.
Now that's a memory worth keeping.
Whoa! It's even taller than our house. It feels like I'm really on Mars.
Captain Alex Carter is on a Mars mission.
One day, I want to explore space too. Everybody smile! This is the best day ever. It's like walking through the universe.
Hello, Explorer Alex Carter.
Hi, little moon robot.
Excellent teamwork, Alex Carter.
That's the coolest lightning ever! I made a tornado! Look at you! I'm inside a bubble. He's saying hello.
You've discovered your very first fossil.
Every fossil tells an amazing story.
It moved. Very gentle.
That's perfect.
It feels different than I imagined. I wish I could swim with them. They look like floating stars.
It's like walking under the ocean.
Look! They're eating!
Even tiny animals have clever ways to stay safe.
You earned a special souvenir today.
I wish this day could last forever.
Let's add our family photo.
Now we'll always be part of this museum.
Today was the happiest day ever. I want to build rockets, study dinosaurs, and explore the ocean someday.
Big dreams always start with curiosity.
One day, I'll explore them all. I'll remember every single moment. We saw so many amazing things. I can't wait for my next adventure.
Sometimes, the biggest adventures begin with one unforgettable day. That night, Alex Carter dreamed bigger than ever before.
Is this my rocket?
Launch sequence begins in 3, 2, 1, 1.
We're really going to space! The whole world looks so tiny. Earth is the most beautiful planet. I'm flying without wings. Preparing for lunar landing. I really made it. I can jump so high! Every great adventure begins with one brave step.
Unknown scientific signal detected.
It's the most beautiful place I've ever seen. Hello, Explorer Alex Carter. Hi, I'm Alex Carter. I think we're gonna be great friends. I have something wonderful to show you. It's like walking on rainbows. Welcome to the heart of the moon.
The greatest discoveries always begin with curiosity.
I'll treasure this forever. I'll never stop learning and exploring. Goodbye, Explorer Alex Carter. Until we meet again. I'll come back someday.
Safe travels, my friend.
No matter how far I travel, home is special. What an amazing dream. Today, I'm going to learn something new. My first rocket is ready!
Science is even more fun when we explore together.
Every adventure starts with curiosity.
Wow, Alex Carter! That's an awesome badge. The museum showed me that learning can become a real adventure. This one is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. The more we ask, the more we discover.
Every explorer inspires someone else to dream bigger.
Let's discover something amazing together. We can build it together.
Curiosity helps us see what others might miss. Curiosity grew into purpose. Great explorers never stop learning.
This is where everything started.
One visit can inspire a lifetime. Go explore. You never know where it might lead.
Some friendships are written in the stars.
The greatest adventure is becoming the best version of yourself.
Curiosity can change a single day, and a single day can change a lifetime.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.